So, because I'm weird and potentially we'll try YouTube, this is a test video. Maybe it'll see the internet. Hi, my name's Levi. I live on a small farm. And I do random stuff all the time. And I bought a toolbox, and I'm just gonna put this camera in time lapse and assemble it. So that took forever. But the cart's assembled. I have most of the stuff in it. I still have stuff in my room, and I'm pretty sure I have everything I want. There's some stuff back there I'll move on here, but I'll just show it as is. Starting at the top here, 2 magnetic trays. I don't even know what this is called. Just a magnet. I don't know, long reach magnet, something like that. Little mirror and another little magnetic tray. Standard, like $20 screwdriver set from Harbor Freight. Nothing too fancy. Just to, start out, fill the toolbox. Little jump pack slash power bank. Bolt extractors, not actual extractors. They're for routed off bolts. I can't think what they're called. Picks. Nicer icon picks. I think those are on sale. Same with these $1 Pittsburgh picks. Pry bars here on the side, getting larger as they go. On the picks down here, I have straight all the way to that weird angled one, like that. So then the 90s right there, I just dropped it. The 90s right here, and then the actual hook one is there, and I'm gonna switch this one around to be the same way. It's like this, but over there. I got nice crescent, like pretty much scissors. They're utility shears. Cup holder, paper towel holder under the side tray. I have a gear wrench, Torx bit, and Allen set. I know I shouldn't keep it in the blow molded case, but I'm that kind of person. All my Torx, all my Allens, even the inverse ones there, and then I got all my trim tools. Over here is just kind of miscellaneous oil filter wrench, bigger tin snips, just cheap Pittsburgh vice grips, and a Stanley ball peen hammer. Here I have just ratcheting box end wrenches, SAE and metric. Flex head ratchets, all my pliers for now until I get a plier rack. Channel locks. Got 2 pairs of those, Crescent and Milwaukee. Milwaukee and Crescent angle cutters. I can't know what they're called. What are these called? We'll find out. Dykes. Needle nose for both. These are awesome. They're like basically mini bolt cutters. From Crescent, and I want to say these were like the 6-in-1, 9-in-1 Milwaukee strippers. As we continue, and here's just bigger box end wrenches, ratcheting, just 1-inch, 15, 16, 7/8, and 13 16ths, just bigger sizes. Impact sockets, there's SE metric and 2 extensions and a swivel, and then 185 piece gear wrench socket set. That's shallow, deep well, SAE metric, screwdriver with bits, some box end wrenches. It's 1/4, 3/8, and half. Both these sets are. Just this set is the 202. It doesn't have deep well. It has Allen keys in it, but the Allen keys are shorter. Kind of like these ones are up here. These are shorter. So if I really want to break some stuff loose, I have to use the Allen bits. I got center punches here. Just different chisels. Trying to think if there's anything else, miscellaneous to talk about besides sounding awkward on camera because I'm talking to myself. I'm gonna bring some like WD-40 over here and a torch, put it on the side of here. I think all the bolts are torqued. We'll find out. So far, this thing's been pretty nice. It rolls good for being on a really like rocky floor that needs swept. It's pretty nice. Hopefully, it serves me well until I get a new one. Well, a bigger box. I probably have this one for a while, but I don't know. I gotta move it somewhere out of the way, and yeah, we'll see how this looks in editing. Eventually, I'll get a power stripper in here, and I can have my Milwaukee chargers in here, and I can buy like at least the M12 3/8 drive impact. That'd be awesome. Same with drill and just regular impact driver. If I have just M12, it'd be great for starting out. Because if I do need bigger tools, I have other tools that are bigger that I can borrow. Yeah. So other than that, toodles.